Outlining and flooding icing technique. Snip a hole into the tip of your piping bag and attach a small piping tip nozzle with a coupler. Fill your piping bag with soft peak royal icing until half full. Twist the end to create a tight piping bag, touch the nozzle at the starting point, squeeze, then lift. Use even pressure to pipe an outline around the inside edge of your cookie. Note that the nozzle doesn't touch the cookie until you touch down at the end. Stop squeezing just before you touch down. Add a little water to your royal icing to get a flooding consistency, and using another bag with a slightly larger snipped hole, flood inside the line starting at the edge and zigzagging up and down until completely flooded. Tap the cookie on the work surface to level the icing. It will gradually flood to the edges. Add a little extra icing if you have any gaps. You can nudge the icing to go into the edges with a cocktail stick if necessary. This smooth, flat icing is very effective on cookies.